Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will explain how you can add a new user account in Windows 11. Right click on the Windows icon. In the list, go to Settings. Go over here to Accounts. Scroll down to Other Users. And then this is the option that we want, Add Other User. But another way to get to this page, go to the search icon, go to the option, the button here with 3 dots, select search settings in the list, and now go to accounts. Let's go back to other users and pick this option, add other user, add account. Select the option of I don't have this person's sign-in information. Pick this option, add a user without a Microsoft account, and give your account a new name. I'll call it user 2. Give it a password. Answer these security questions. And now you have your account. To see this, go to the Windows button, click on User, and you see user 2 in this list. And now we're going to sign out. Now we can see user 2 over here in this list of users. Select, type in the password. Give it a few minutes. Now we have to answer these questions. These are the questions again, to make sure you see that clearly. And now you have a new account. To confirm the accounts on this computer, to verify this, click on search, type in control panel, select, go to user accounts, change account type, and now you can see the list of all users on this machine. You can see user 2 over here. Now, that's how you add a new user account in Windows 11. I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Take care.